to that. I do want to go into our better deal.
Okay, let me ask you, I'm going to ask you about it, because Democrats put out a new agenda this week called a better deal. Let's put some of it up on the screen. You call for higher wages, lower prescription drug costs, as you just said, job training, infrastructure. Leader Pelosi, I'm not saying any of that is wrong.
Right.
What I am saying is that none of it is new. We've been hearing it for years. We heard it from the Democrats and Hillary Clinton in 2016, and you lost.
No, well, we're going to hear it with more clarity. For the first time since 2006, the congressional Democrats are in charge of the message. In 2006, we were in charge, we won. We had a Democratic president after that in 2008, and for that time on, a very successful presidency. Now it is our turn to win the Congress for the American people. But elections are more than about winning the election. They're about having a discussion about how we go forward.
But they're all about winning the election. That's what an election.
No, it's about winning on the issues. I mean, in other words, if the American people can hold all of us, Democrats and Republicans, accountable for what is in their interest, instead of a trickle-down agenda that really benefits the high end at the expense of working families. That's why a better deal is important, and it is entrepreneurial in its thinking. It's fresh in terms of what it suggests.
But let me